Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel! Today we are going to show you our My Little Pony Derpy! Let's go! Ta-da! Here she is!
It comes with cupcake on the head. And what's the?
Yum yum!
Show the cupcake. What's this?
That is our blueberry muffins.
Blueberry muffin.
Also, we have this, her
Standy.
stand.
And, oh, yes, Thea, what is that? That's a?
Standy.
No, this is a standy baby. Okay, this one's a?
Blueberry muffin.
Oh, why did you tear it? Different characters.
Okay, everyone, here we have our collectibles. First, we have Fluttershy. And then we have our other pony that I don't really know who
Sweetie
is.
Drops.
Oh, yeah, Sweetie Drops. We have Twixie Lulumoon. We have Rose Luck, Rainbow Dash, and Dizzy.
Derpy.
We have Derpy. We also have Sunset Shimmer. We have Daring Do Dazzle. We also have Starlight Glimmer, Rarity, Adorable Pinkie Pie, and DJ Pawn.
And their accessories. And this is
Yup.
Pinkie.
This Pinkie Pie.
That's Pinkie Pie.
Okay, so here we have also Fluttershy. We have